Hey, what is up people, this is me Vivek, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play PUBG in highest possible frame rates or in graphics in low-end devices. So before moving further, if you guys end up liking my video or found it useful, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So with that being said, let's get this started. First, you need to install an app called Bbek, or you can use GFX tool as well. So you can find the download links of both this app in the description below. Then open the app, and here you need to tweak some settings. So the first option we are going to change is graphics quality. As this is the settings for the low-end devices, so we are going to change the graphics quality is smooth and resolution is low. Then a shadow quality is none, and after that choose color style is colorful. Then you can choose rendering quality is low and select anti-aliasing is none. Then choose the frame rate either 40 fps or 60 fps, but as I said, it's the setting for the very low end devices, so I recommend choosing you 40 fps or 30 fps. After that choose light effects is low or none. Then here comes the graphics API part. If your device is running on Android 7.0 or above, then you should choose Vulkan API, otherwise you must keep it to OpenGL 3.1. After that you are done. Then open the game and let's tweak some settings inside the game. First you need to see in which server you are in. Then you must select the lowest latency server to avoid gameplay lags. So though in graphics settings you can set the graphics on smooth and frame rate on high or medium as your device can support. So if the lags or overheating further exist, then I must suggest to upgrade your device. So that was it for this video guys. If you guys found this video helpful, then you guys know what to do. Just leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. You guys have a great day. Peace.